Alright, we're going to change out my Hayward filter. You're going to use a crescent wrench and a 3/4 inch socket. This collar off, pull the top off, and our filter should be inside. This looks awful dirty. Trying to take these out. All right, here's one of the filters I took out. You see I got some girls, so a lot of hair. Get down in here. I'm not sure if it's focusing or not, but there's a lot of sand in these guys. Oh yeah, right in there. This is the bottom, so everything falls down. So all we're gonna do for this is put them down. We got the 3 right here, and we're just gonna hit them with their nozzle. It should turn out like that blue. So I had a little bit of filtration left, but not much. So definitely time to be cleaning these out. All right, we got one filter cleaned up. You can kind of see how much sand and stuff came out of here. Well, as you can see, these turned out a lot better. Got a lot of the dirt and dust off of them. This is all that polymetric sand I was talking about for my pavers. And pretty deep, so there's quite a bit that got caught up in these filters. However, it's not ideal by spraying them in, because as you can tell, some of these just have a lot more sand that just got pushed in. So next time we'll work on back flushing them, where we apply water pressure to the inside and blow all that gunk out of these cracks. All right, to reinstall this, we just do the opposite. That back in there. I'll make sure your O-ring right there is still good. Put our filters on. The pump draws water from the pool through the pump, through this pipe. It comes into our pressure vessel out of here. The pressure inside the vessel forces the water through your filters. Filtering the water, the clean water comes out from the inside the filters, comes through into this contraption. From here, it comes out that top one into your white pipe, which comes right through from there, the bottom one, that guy. Comes out, comes through your heater, and back into your pool. And then the cycle keeps going. Now this might be tricky one-handed, but we're going to put this guy on. Next step after you get the top on is to turn on the pump. My pump is designed to kick on at 100% for the first 3 minutes. Make sure everything's charged with water, and then it will go back to the regular setting that it has. But when we turn the pump on, I'm going to open up this bleeder, help bleed out a lot of the air that's coming in. The rest of the air will be bled out through my jets. Pump should be drawing in water. Now it's got primed. And you can hear the air coming out. That means this is getting filled up. It'll take a little bit. You got decent pressure on the pressure gauge. All right, looks like we're up and running.